Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone using the Recordex AFL-80 iMMCam teaching and document gooseneck camera, the Digipartspower AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically designed to keep your valuable camera running smoothly and safely, ensuring you never miss a moment of teaching or documentation. One of the standout features of this Digipartspower adapter is its comprehensive suite of safety protections. We're talking about over-temperature protection, over-voltage protection, short-circuit protection, and over-current protection. These aren't just technical terms. They represent a robust shield for both the adapter and your camera. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing that your equipment is safeguarded against common electrical issues that could otherwise lead to costly damage. The manufacturer has clearly prioritized safety and durability, crafting this adapter with high-quality materials and rigorously testing it to meet stringent standards. It truly feels like a premium product, built to last and perform reliably. Beyond its impressive safety features, the adapter boasts a highly practical design. It's incredibly easy to carry, making it perfect for educators or professionals who might need to move their iMMCam setup between different locations. Its small size and compact design mean it won't take up much space in your bag or on your power strip, and its low power consumption is an added bonus. Whether you're using it at home, in a classroom, or an office, its wall-mount design and corded electric power source offer straightforward, dependable operation. The sleek black finish also ensures it blends seamlessly into any setup. Now, to ensure this adapter serves you for years to come, there are a few simple, yet important, guidelines to follow. While it's built with durability in mind, it's always best to prevent it from falling from heights or being subjected to harsh knocks or shakes. Extreme high or low temperatures can shorten the life of any electronic equipment, so using it indoors will help protect its internal components and circuit boards. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid running it overloaded. Adhering to these simple practices will help maintain its high-quality performance and extend its lifespan, allowing it to power your Recordex AFL-80 iMMCam reliably for a very long time. For anyone relying on their Recordex iMMCam, this Digipartspower AC adapter is an indispensable and trustworthy companion.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.